y'all, Corie Eckman here, your Homesteading Graduate Assistant at the McCoskey Center. Here's Willow and I. We're about to show you how we live more sustainably by making some veggie dip. A tzatziki dip, actually. For tzatziki dip, you're going to need 3/4 to 1 whole organic cucumber, preferably from your own garden, 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried dill, or if you want to use fresh, you can. And then you can use 1/2 tablespoon to 1 full tablespoon of lemon juice. 1 cup of organic plain yogurt. Then you can add a little bit of salt to taste. Then grab your trusty companion and get started. If you want to peel your cucumber, you can. I'm not going to in this instance because I sort of like that green color that's in the dip. And so I'm just going to leave the skin on my cucumber. I'm going to use my food processor and the grater inside of that to shred my cucumber. I don't have a box grater, but if you do, you definitely can use that as it's probably a little easier. This is my final product after shredding it. I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes, let the juice kind of run to the bottom, and then I'll drain that out here shortly. Well, thanks for watching how I live more sustainably every day and also during Earth Month. So to recap, how I live more sustainably is that I actually have a garden in which I can make organic produce and take it directly out of my garden and walk up my stairs and I can use it right then and there, as well as I also compost. So I have a compost bin outside as well in my kitchen in which I compost all of those organic scraps that I had made in the making of this dip. Composting is a great way to live sustainably because actually when you use that organic matter into your compost bin, it will create a soil carbon that is great for your garden vegetables or just mulching around your house, whatever have you. And instead of that organic matter being thrown away traditionally, especially in the US, we waste a lot of food by just throwing it away. And when we take that food to landfills, it breaks down in a methane, which is actually helping that greenhouse gas to be produced rather than when I use it in my compost bin where it is then transitioned into the soil that plants can use and uptake and then nourish me. The last thing I want to say is, although maybe you're not primarily vegetarian like I am, but I challenge you to try and do meatless Mondays, or you and your family can have a friendly competition this Earth Month to reduce your meat consumption. Also, stay tuned for our next Earth Month video presented by Paul Hedzik, our other graduate assistant at the McCoskey Center. He's going to take you on a wildflower hike for this Earth Month series. Thanks for watching.